ओके बच्चों स्टार्ट करते हैं पीवाईक्यू सीरीज का नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन। जो आपका क्वेश्चन है बच्चों वो है लेट ए इज द सेट इज द नंबर ऑफ टर्म्स इज 1 2 3 अप टू 10 numbers in the set A, and set B is the relation given m relation is m upon n, therefore m and n belongs to A. If the meaning is m and is only 1 to 10 numbers, n is always greater than is. In the condition must be applied if n is always greater than m, and the GCD of n and HCM is the meaning is HCM of m and n is equal to 1. Okay, and condition is apply n greater than always m. Okay, so put the value firstly. Suppose I will put the n equal to 1, then condition is 1 by 1, right now. So 1 by 1 meaning is both are equal, m or n both are equal, yes or no, this condition. Condition is not be satisfied because n condition is n always greater than m, so n is not possible. Second one is n equal to put 2. You can suppose you can put the n equal to 2, then condition is first is 1 by 2 possible because n is equal to 2, then 1 by 2 possible. Second one is about suppose you can put that m equal to 2, then 2 by 2, and 2 by 2 is not possible because 2 by 2 also 1, and 1 is GCD is not possible that time, so only just 1 by 2 is possible. Suppose you can put n equal to 3, then possible is same as well as 1 by 3, 2 by 3, and 3 by 3 is not possible because same is 1. Same you can put n equal to 4, then 1 by 1 by 4, 2 by 4 already 1 by 2, so 1 by 2 by 4 is not possible, so 3 by 4, 4 by 4 is not possible, so only 2. N equal to put 5, then 1 by 5, 2 by 5, 3 by 5, 4 by 5 is possible. Put n equal to 6, then 1 by 6, 2 by 6 is not possible because the 1 by 3 is already completed. 3 by 6 not possible, 5 by 6 possible directly because it's the prime number. So they put 7, then 7 is 1 by 7 possible, 2 by 7 possible, 3 by 7 possible, 4 by 7 possible, 5 by 7 possible, 6 by 7 possible. It's only just n equal to put 8, then 1 by 8 possible, 2 by 8 not possible, 3 by 8 possible, but बच्चों 5 by 8 possible, then other is 7 by 8 possible only. If suppose you can put the 9, then 1 by 9 possible, 2 by 9 possible, 3 by 9 is not possible already completed, 4 by 9 possible, 5 by 9 possible, 6 by 9 not possible, 7 by 9 possible, 8 by 9 possible, 9 by 9 is already because 1, n equal to put 10, so 10 is 1 by 10 possible, 2 by 10 is not possible, 3 by 10 possible, 5 by 10 not possible, 4 by 10 not possible, 7 by 10 possible, 9 by 10 possible. It's only just, so how many completed total? So is the 1 2 2 4 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 4 1 2 3 4 5 6 6 and 4 complete. So 10 10 20 20 plus how many, this one is 20 plus 10 is 30, 30 plus 1 is 31, so total is 31 is possible. So n of b is number of is possible sets is 1 by n of b is 31. So answer of this question is 31. I hope you are understand that it's an easy question, not a hard, it's a set relation question. Second question is probability question. Question is two balls are selected at the random one by one. You can select two balls in the randomly without replacement. Bag containing 4 white ball. One bag is containing 4 white balls and 10 black balls. Okay. Then it the probability that the first selected balls is black and given the second selected also black. This is easy, not problem. So firstly select the so total probability of selected to black is, suppose first one is not black, if it's possible not, so 4 by 10 is the first is white, second black is also, first is black, second is also black, so the only two condition, first is first white, second black, and second is the black and black because the second is also black the condition. Okay, so first is 4 by, so second you can choose 5 by 10 because the already that one is the selected, then is a, sorry, 5 by 9, so already selected one ball, and is the also 6 by 9 because the 6 all completed, sorry, yes, is the 6. Second one is the first is the black, okay, 6 by 10, second is black, then already one is a completed, then 5 by 9 is the total probability, and then both are black, then condition is, so condition of black, selected the black in bag, so bag upon is the black is equal to, so total is the black divided by, so black is 6 by 10 into 5 by 9 and divided by total is 4 by 10 into 6 by 9 plus 6 by 10 into 5 by 9 is the total possibility, then both are black. Okay, if you solve that, so 10 by 9 is the LCM, so 6 into 5 only, and this one is a 24 plus 30, so the 30 and divided by 54, and the condition is, suppose the in ratio is the m ratio and then GCD of mn is 1, then the m plus n. Okay, so you can cancel out how many times there, so it cancel out in the 9 3, so the 10 times, and this one is cancel out in the 3, then 1, and second ways is 18, so either 5 by 9, and 5 by 9 is the GCD 5 and 9 GCD is 1, so that's why the real number, so the find the m plus n, and m is a 5 plus 9 is equal to 14, so your answer is 14. I feel you understand that is a very easy question, is not a hard, the probability question, but is a very easy. Next question, let the foci of the hyperbola is 1 by 14 and another is 1 by 12, if the passing through the point 1 comma 6, then the length of the its lotus rectum. Okay, firstly, what is the meaning of this question? Suppose one is the hyperbola is the given like this, first is the point is 1 by 14, foci is the 14, so 1 by 14 the meaning is 1 1 there and 14 here, so 1 by 14 is the number. Suppose this one is the foci, and then another foci is there, so is the 1 by minus 12. Okay, so the foci is the meaning is, suppose your hyperbola is like this, suppose the your hyperbola, then foci is there and there. Okay, so this type of hyperbola, this one is the b comma like this. Okay, firstly made by sir, so one more thinking is given, passing through the point 1 comma 6 is the passing through the 1 comma 6, so 1 point, comma 6 is the there. Okay, so how to relate that, how to find the length of lotus rectum, so length of lotus rectum is any parabola is 2a square by phi, is the meaning is this one, suppose any parabola is that the, so this one is the lotus rectum, length of lotus rectum. Okay, how to find that? Okay, so firstly find the a b, and the this type of parabola the relation is a square equal to b square e square minus 1 is the relation. Okay, so firstly find the, how to find that, the one more thinking, suppose the distance between this one to this one is the b. Okay, so how many distance to 14 to 12, this point to this point is totally the 2b, and is the 14 to 12 is 12, 14 plus 12 equal to 26, and 26 the meaning is 2be is equal to 26, so b is equal to what, 13, b is the given, then apply that and find the a square, so a square equal to b square e square minus b square. Okay, b square is equal to 13, so a square equal to b square is equal to 13 is whole square minus b square, where is the b, how to find, so this one is also 2b, b is the given, not no, not given, so this one is also b, the distance from that to that, so the 12, so is the point is center point this one, so the 0 comma 1, sorry, 1 comma 1 is their point, because distance is equal, so this is the 13, this one is also 13. Okay, so point is 1 comma 1, and distance from this point to this point is a b, so is the 5, so b is equal to 5. Okay, b is equal to 5, then put the value, so the 25. So a square equal to 169 minus 25 is equal to what? Is the 144. Is the meaning is a is equal to 10. A is given, b is the given, then lotus rectum is, so lotus rectum is 2 into a square, meaning is 12 square divided by 5. So the meaning is how many, how much? So 144 into 2 divided by 5. Meaning is question in the given length of the lotus rectum. So the 288 divided by 5 is the final answer. So answer is, so this one is also easy question. Uh, so that's it.